Hi, I'm Chris. We're taking a look at a question from one of the online SAT practice tests provided by College Board. This one is question 18 from this practice test. And they present us with this triangle ABC, and they tell us that we're going to draw a circle that passes through point A, and they want to know how many points of intersection are there between the circle and the triangle itself. So with Roman numeral questions, a really important thing to appreciate is that as you make a decision about each individual Roman numeral, you want to cross out your answer choices accordingly. So let's take a look at how that process works. Now, these kinds of questions are oftentimes tough on the SAT, and you can expect to see 1 to 2 of these questions in each section, which I refer to rather than math-based questions. These are more focused on problem solving, and I like to refer to these as hit or miss questions because there's not a formula that you need to know. There's not a standard approach for every one of these, but it's just kind of a figure it out as you go type of question. So remember, as you go over these, don't be too caught up in whether or not you got a particular question right, but just try to think of it as, let me put work into these so that I can develop that problem solving skill set to see if I'm more comfortable with these types of questions over time. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. For Roman numeral 1, we've got 1 point of intersection. Well, let's see if that's possible. It passes through A, and it could go anywhere after that. So you could have a circle that is basically outside the triangle that touches just at point A. So that means Roman numeral 1 point of intersection is possible. And so we have to see Roman numeral 1 in our answer choices, which means we can eliminate answer choice B and answer choice D. So even if we get stuck there, we've at least limited it to 3 options, which means it is statistically to our advantage to guess on this question. But let's see if we can keep going and come up with a few other scenarios. So how about 3 points of intersection? Well, let's say we take this same kind of circle, but maybe draw it the other way. It can pass through this corner point here, and it can pass through 2 other points. So if we look at this, we have 1, 2, 3 points of intersection. Check mark by Roman numeral 2. So that means Roman numeral 2 allows us, it has to be in our answer choice, and it allows us to eliminate option A. It can no longer be Roman numeral 1 only. It's got to have at least 1 and 2. Now let's check that third option. An intersection of 4 points on the triangle. So this one's a little bit tougher to see, but it's still possible. If we draw a larger circle, and it goes around something like this. I know that's not a perfect circle, but it's close. We have a point of intersection here, and then we have 2 points of intersection here and here. So a total of 4 for that circle. Roman numeral 3 is possible, which means our correct answer for this question is answer choice E. For more, please feel free to take a look at our other videos, and thanks for watching.